How to fix fail to connect to the game ID 17, Roblox connection attempt failed. Now, I'm going to provide you troubleshooting steps on how we can rectify this concern. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead to your Windows icon right here and then type CMD and then hit enter. And then once you're on command prompt, just simply type in ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Then click enter and then type in again net sh space winsock and then hit enter. Alright. And then second troubleshooting steps, just close this command prompt, go back to your Windows icon right here and type in control panel, hit enter. Once you're here under network and internet, click on view network and status and tasks. Click in your current connection. Now from here, go to properties, you scroll down and then go to Internet Protocol version 4, double click on that, and then use the following DNS server addresses. For your preferred DNS server, that's gonna be 888, and then your alternate DNS server should be 8844. And once everything is set, just click on OK and then close everything. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix fail to connect to the game ID 17 Roblox connection attempt failed.